Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make a welcome page on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing once we're on our admin dashboard is we're going to go into Online Store. From here, we're going to first navigate into Pages, and this is where we're going to be setting up our page templates. We're going to click on Add Page in the top right, and that is going to take you to this here page. For the title, we're just going to select welcome, and for content we're gonna just type welcome to my store, and that should be it. You can set it as visible as of the current moment or hidden until you set a visibility date. You can also use a theme template if you want, but pretty much that is all you need to do. As you can see, you have a search engine listing preview right over here, and once we're done with that, you can click on save, and now we have our welcome page set. If I go back here, as you'll see, you have welcome right over here. And now we're going to go over into themes. From themes, you're going to click on customize next to the theme you're currently using. And then if I go into pages from here, I'll have the default page and I'll have a contact page, which is another template that was done before. We're going to click add template and we're going to select welcome. And based on default page, let's say create template. And now, as you can see, the welcome page has been set here. Now, how you can change this to your home page, I'm not exactly sure. Let me just go over into the options. I don't know where this could be, but yeah, the next step here is to set this as your default page. And I'm sorry, but I don't know how to do that as of the current moment. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can set up your welcome page. Now, all you need to do is just change it to the home page, and then people will be able to access it and view it whenever they visit your site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.